Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your laptop. Confirm your OS and free up at least 2 GB. Next, download Python 3.11 or newer and run the installer. Make sure to check Add to Path so the Python command works in terminals. Once done, open a terminal and run Python version to confirm installation. If you prefer isolation, create a virtual environment with Python mvenv and activate it. This keeps projects separate and avoids dependency conflicts as you proceed. You now set up tools to write and run code efficiently. First, upgrade pip and core packaging tools so installs are reliable. Then pick an editor. VS Code is versatile. PyCharm is feature-rich. Install the Python extension and link it to your interpreter. Once done, enable linting and a formatter like Black and set up the debugger in your IDE. These steps help you catch errors early. Run a simple script with Python script Py to verify execution, and step through with breakpoints. You finish by running real projects and validating your setup. Create or activate a project virtual environment, install dependencies from requirements. TXT, then run tests with PyTest to ensure behavior matches expectations. Once done, automate frequent tasks with scripts or task runners to speed future work. If something breaks, first make sure the correct interpreter is active and path is set. If issues persist, rebuild the venv or reinstall the offending package. That troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.